What's good, family? Hope you guys are doing okay. Now let's just cut to the chase, man. Today we got the grandmaster, the GOAT, the greatest, the legendary Winky D, dancehall king himself, man. Now yesterday he made his in fact he had a performance at the Castle Braai Fest 2024, and this video about to showcase is his grand entrance, man, showing that he is the boss, showing that he is the man, showing that he is the Winky D. Yeah, that's a bit too much, man. I think I went overboard with the introduction, son. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, just showing us why he's the great master and master of his craft. You know, and why people like Holy 10 should just stop, son. The Holy 10, just stop with the Winky D, man. Say anything else, but not Winky D. Don't touch the GOAT, son. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, my name is Bless. And this is the Bless Review. If you feel some type of way, post in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. And I'm out.
Here's the present. We say summertime, my cover time. Serious dance for jugglers tonight. Can we start the party right now? Na 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 na. Dancing Vancouver, iya ya.